Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the paint type and substrate because the wrong method damages the box. Put on gloves, goggles, and a respirator. Open windows and run a fan. Lay a drop cloth, then test a small inconspicuous area with your chosen tool. Plastic scraper for delicate surfaces, metal for durable ones. Once you confirm no damage, use a putty knife at a low angle to lift loose flakes and switch to a heat gun on low if the paint resists. Now you tackle stubborn paint. Apply stripper in thin layers, covering only one small section at a time. This prevents prolonged exposure. Wait the label time, then gently scrape softened paint. Repeat application where needed. Make sure to neutralize the chemical per instructions, water or a designated neutralizer, so residues don't interfere with finishing. Once mostly clean, sand progressively from 120 to 220 grit to smooth the surface. Finish by inspecting the entire box under good light. You want a uniform surface. If residues remain, repeat focus stripping and light sanding until consistent. Make sure to prime or seal the substrate within 24 hours. This prevents rust on metal and readhesion on wood. If you encounter blistering, scorched wood, or paint that refuses to lift, stop and try low, controlled heat or a stronger, appropriate solvent. If that fails, consult a professional to avoid permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.